name is Adam Henning from the University of Arizona Global Campus. This is Pharmacology. And for Dr. Susan Gunther, June 15th, 2023. A mere 1% of Americans are suffering from schizophrenia, which is a devastating brain disorder. The symptoms can include like paranoid, hallucinations, manifestations of just being off kilter, cognitive impairments such as lack of excitement. I would also go as far and say there's just an overall disconnect from reality. According to research, individuals who have schizophrenia may be more susceptible to experiencing variation in sizes of specific brain regions, as well as the connectivity between those regions. And because of this knowledge and a lot of other additional information, like the advancements on this particular subject matter has exploded into new areas. The science is constantly giving us new information on this particular subject matter. Also, too, in terms of the hereditary factors, one could definitely get it. There is a predisposition, a genetic predisposition for people to get schizophrenia. Also, too, the medial lobe, as well as other parts of the brain region, is affected. These areas involve memory retention, coherent recollection, I believe memory retrieval. This is just really a debilitating disease. Also, too, schizophrenia is also demonstrated that it can be an illness that worsens with time due to the change in white as well as gray matter in the cerebrum. Neurotransmitters and other chemical messages are necessary for your body to operate correctly. Their roles is to transport chemical signals from one neuron to the next. This is vital with us in terms of how we lived and how we operate each and every day. There are three specific neurotransmitters, the serotonin, dopamine, and glutamate are believed to be functioning completely out of rhythm and out of sync in those that have schizophrenia. So that's one thing that can keep in mind when we're talking about this unfortunate affliction. The chemical dopamine, which is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, plays a huge part in the onset course of schizophrenia. As a matter of fact, based on the revised dopamine hypothesis, schizophrenia has been linked to dopaminergic abnormalities in both the mesolimbic as well as the prefrontal regions of the brain. As stated by empirical evidence, glutamate and the dopamine hypothesis is one of the most popular theories for the causes of schizophrenia. This isn't really a one shoe size fits all sort of thing in terms of schizophrenia. Furthermore, it has been shown that the dopamine and the glutathione pathways have both played a significant role in the etiology of schizophrenia while having different functions in terms of brain signaling. Not to mention, serotonin has been connected to several behavioral and physiological processes that are altered in schizophrenia, such as consciousness, focus, and disruptive behavior, sexual cravings or sex drive, if you will, hunger, mobility, sleep. All of those things are interconnected with this. Neurotransmitters are also essential, as we spoke about earlier. And people with schizophrenia may experience sensory overload in situations like if let's just say if they're in a setting and it's too bright, they're overly stimulated. Well, that's pretty much my time. Hopefully, this little overview made you more enlightened, and hopefully, you enjoyed it. Thank you.